news. Unreal Engine 5 is available for early access. It is still in beta mode, and for the production, it will be available in 22 earlies. So for here, for beta users, what you can do, just you can go UE5 in Epic Game Launcher UE5. This option will not be available before, so just click here, and here a button will show like download early access. If you will click here, then it will start installing. It is of 12 GB, so it is currently installing, and it has some like massive updates. First, the massive update is of UI. UI is completely different from the current one. Like so UI is quite simpler and it is easy to use, and they have bring the updates. Sorry, they have included the module regarding a Nanite and illumination. So here we will see. First is Nanite. It is with this user can create a massive massive amount of geometric details. In a mesh, you can have millions of polygons, and it will not stop. Like the performance will not shatter. So these are Nanite, and second one is Lumin. So here you don't need to bake light anymore. Like in the running time, you can get different environment with moving light. So they have entered with the greater details. Next one is open world. With this, previously it was not feasible for a team to work because they have to use different things to make a product. So with open world, now different team members can work on the same map and with their different skills. So this is the open map for you. And last one is second one, next is animation. With animation, now you have more power with animation. It is more connected with the blueprints and the C++ access. The same animation will work from different scenarios. So you don't have to create animation for the different aspect. So this is for you. Next is meta sound, and next one is workflow. So this was it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.